In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain with Namecheap DNS to Weebly. This quick tutorial will guide you through the entire process in just a few easy steps. So whether you're a beginner or just looking for a refresher, you're in the right place. To get started, let's first take a look at your Weebly website. This is where your domain will eventually point, and it's essential to ensure everything is set up correctly from the Weebly side. Open up your Weebly account and have a look at your site to make sure it's ready to go. Now let's head over to Namecheap, where your domain is registered. Log into your Namecheap account, and once you're in, click on the Domain List option on the left-hand sidebar. This will display all the domains you have registered with Namecheap. Find the domain you wish to connect to your Weebly site and click the Manage button next to it. This will take you to the domain settings page. In the domain management area, you'll want to look for the DNS settings. Here, you can configure where the domain points. Before making any changes, always double check that you are editing the correct domain. Once verified, click on the Publish button in the settings area. This action ensures that any changes you make will be updated in real time. Now, it's time for some copying and pasting. Head over to your Weebly editor and click on Settings to find your current Weebly URL. This is a crucial step because you'll need this URL to set up the redirection from Namecheap. Copy the Weebly URL to your clipboard. Once you've copied the URL, go back to the Namecheap domain settings page. Look for the redirect domain or similar setting area. When you find it, paste the Weebly URL here. This is where you will redirect your domain to point to your Weebly site. This might be under custom DNS, so be sure to navigate accordingly. In the source URL field, make sure to paste your domain name. This step is essential as it tells Namecheap what domain needs to be redirected. Next, in the destination URL field, paste the Weebly URL you copied earlier. This action ensures all your domain traffic is routed correctly to your Weebly site. And that's it! With these steps, your domain should now be successfully connected to your Weebly website via Namecheap's DNS. It might take a little while for the changes to propagate fully, so give it some time before checking the redirection. If you ever encounter any issues, or if the domain doesn't seem to redirect, double check both the source and destination URLs for any errors. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helped make the process smooth and straightforward for you.